Okay, just thought I'd follow up on yesterday's item that we discussed around copyright-free images and how we can find them, and how we can ensure that when we're doing presentations or uploading things to the website, or other areas where we're creating resources, we're doing so in a way which is not contravening copyright. So the first source, and I mentioned this yesterday, was the Creative Commons website, which is search.creativecommons.org. If you search using this search engine and you put your search query into the search bar here, you can select on the screen here, I want something that I can either use for commercial purposes or modify, adapt and build on. So anything that then comes up as a search, you'll be able to use. So if I type in here frog, for example, here are a lot of images of frogs. Perhaps not surprisingly if you look at where they've come from, Wikipedia and so on, which is obviously sources, things that are copyright free and that can be reused. So that's very quickly. So that's Creative Commons, so that can be used. Wikimedia Commons is another website that will search for you. So it's commons.wikimedia.org. Again, if I was to put frog in here, I don't know why I'm going for a frog, but seemed like a reasonable idea at the time. You can then see images here that come up, and again all of these images will be able to be used, and they are copyright free. Okay, so that's wikimediacommons.org. And finally, what if we're doing a Google search? Is there a way that we can safeguard ourselves? Well, the answer is yes. If I put frog into my Google search here, okay, and then I move to the images tab, what I can now do is go to search tools. And you can see here there are a range of different tools where you can refine your search. So the one that we're looking at particularly here is usage rights, and then you can select the type of use here that best suits your purposes. So it would probably be, in this case, labelled for reuse, so things that you can reproduce and reuse. And again, well, you probably recognise some of these already because they came up in the previous search. Okay. So here's some frogs that we can reuse because they're from copyright-free sources. So that's 3 different ways that you can ensure that when you're using the internet for images, that you're selecting images that are copyright-free. Hope that was useful. So thanks.